So coming to our activity 2.4, we have studied activity 2.3 where we were checking the presence of hydrogen gas when metal react with acid. In the same way here also, in activity 2.4, you will see that when zinc granule will react with base like sodium hydroxide or any base, it will also gives us what? It will also gives us hydrogen, and we have to check the presence of hydrogen in the same way as we were checking in activity 2.3 by using burning candle, and the hydrogen will burn with a pop sound in it. So what it is saying, place look at the activity 2.4. Place a few pieces of granulated zinc metal in a test tube. We have to take some pieces of zinc metal in a test tube, and we have to add 2 milliliter of sodium hydroxide solution. We have to add what? 2 milliliter of sodium hydroxide solution, and then we need to warm it. We need to warm it with a flame or with whatever source you can. You have to warm it. Generally we use flame that is present in our lab. Repeat the rest of the steps as in activity 2.3 and record your observation. Rest of the steps like here in activity 2.3, what we have done, we have taken that test tube. After heating that test tube, we are taking this delivery tube which is immersed in a kettle in a soap solution, and after reaction, when hydrogen gas will come out from that delivery tube, we need to check it by burning the gas with a candle, and the hydrogen gas will burn with a pop sound, and then we can realize that hydrogen gas is coming out of that reaction. This is all about activity 2.4, and you need to check this reaction. The reaction can take place and written as follows: NaOH plus Zn, which NaOH is our base, sodium hydroxide, Zn is zinc which is metal, and it is forming what? Sodium zincate with liberation of hydrogen gas. So if it is giving hydrogen gas, what kind of reaction it is? We have studied in chapter 1 that the reaction which gives us hydrogen, generally we use that kind of reaction, we used to say what? Exothermic. Exo means go ये हम लोग यूज कर रहे थे. एक्जो है तो गो है, तो इसलिए हाइड्रोजन गैस लिबरेट हो रहा है, इसलिए एक्जोथर्मिक इसको बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि हीट यहाँ से जा रहा है. लेकिन in this reaction you will see what both the things are happening. For proceeding our reaction, we are taking the help of heat, so we are also giving heat to the reactant so that reaction may take place. That's why it is also an endothermic reaction, and as well as heat is coming out from the reaction. That's why it's also an exothermic reaction. Okay, so you can say that here zinc reacts with sodium hydroxide and form oxide of zinc, which is what? Sodium zincate, with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Okay, and we need to keep our whole protection for doing this reaction. As the reaction is so vigorous, we need to take dilute bases. You know what is dilute bases and everything. If you will get any kind of doubt, kindly ask me, tell me, or comment on the comment box, or directly ask me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.